Picture this. You're coming home after a long, exhausting day. You turn the key, push the door open, and thump, 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 you're immediately greeted by a warm, furry blur of pure excitement. Their eyes are bright, and that tail is wagging like a high-speed happiness machine. In a single heartbeat, the stress of the day starts to fade. Your chest feels a little lighter. Your breathing slows down. Most of us just smile and say, "They're just so happy to see me." But behind that adorable, slightly chaotic welcome lies a complex web of neuroscience, attachment psychology, and 15,000 years of evolutionary history. Welcome back to Soulful Paws. Today, we're redecoding the mystery. Why do we call dogs man's best friend? And what is living with a dog actually doing to your brain? This friendship isn't an accident. It was written into our DNA 15,000 years ago. It began at the campfires of prehistoric humans, where wolves and early humans first shared warmth and protection to survive the harsh ice ages. Geneticists have discovered that domestic dogs carry unique gene insertions associated with extreme friendliness and human-directed contact-seeking genes that wolves simply don't have. We didn't just tame them, we co-evolved with them. They were biologically shaped to stay close to us, and in return, our own nervous systems evolved to feel a sense of profound safety whenever they are near. In 2015, researchers at Azabu University in Japan published a groundbreaking study in the journal Science. They found that when humans and dogs gaze into each other's eyes, both brains simultaneously release oxytocin, the exact same hormone a mother's brain releases when she holds her newborn for the first time. This is a biological miracle. No other animal on Earth shares this specific neurochemical loop with humans. Research from ETV's Lauren University even shows that dogs form secure attachments with their owners that are functionally identical to the bond between a toddler and a parent. When you pet your dog, you aren't just playing, you are plugging into a mutually beneficial charging station of safety and affection. So what does this deep, ancient bond actually do for us? Well, the benefits are immense and backed by solid science. Let's start with stress. Numerous studies show that interacting with a dog can significantly lower your cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. Petting a dog, playing fetch, or even just having them in the same room can trigger your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for that rest and digest feeling of calm. Think of it as a natural, furry, anti-anxiety tool. This isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a measurable physiological response. People with dogs tend to have lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. The simple act of taking your dog for a walk combines gentle exercise with social interaction and a dose of nature, powerful combination for both physical and mental well-being. And it goes beyond just managing stress. Our canine companions are incredible social catalysts. How many times have you stopped to talk to a stranger simply because they were walking an adorable dog? They break down social barriers and encourage connection. For people who feel isolated or lonely, a dog provides constant, non-judgmental companionship. They listen to our problems without offering unsolicited advice. They celebrate our joys with genuine enthusiasm. They're a consistent source of unconditional love, which is a fundamental human need. In a world that can often feel disconnected and chaotic, the simple, reliable presence of a dog can be an incredible anchor for our mental health. They force us to be present, to step away from our screens, and engage with the world in a more tactile, immediate way. But there's an even deeper layer to this relationship. Dogs teach us about empathy. To care for a dog, you have to learn to read their needs without words. You become attuned to the subtle shifts in their body language: a tilted head, a tucked tail, a soft whine. This process of learning to understand another being's emotional state strengthens our own capacity for empathy in all our relationships. They also instill a sense of purpose and routine. The responsibility of feeding, walking, and caring for another living creature gives our days structure and meaning. This is especially powerful for individuals struggling with depression or a lack of motivation. Knowing that a furry friend depends on you to get out of bed in the morning can be an incredibly powerful motivator. It shifts the focus from our own struggles to the needs of another, fostering a sense of competence and self-worth. The science is clear. Our connection with dogs isn't just a cute hobby or a simple companionship. It's a deep, symbiotic relationship that has shaped our evolution and continues to enhance our modern lives in profound ways. They are our personal trainers, our therapists, our social icebreakers, and our loyal confidants. They improve our heart health, reduce our stress, and make us more compassionate human beings. That wagging tail at the door isn't just a greeting. It's a daily dose of a powerful, ancient medicine for the human soul. It's a reminder that for thousands of years, we've had a best friend walking right beside us. So the next time your dog greets you with that slippery whole body wiggle of happiness, remember the incredible science behind that moment. You're not just getting a welcome home. You're participating in a beautiful, biological dance that's been millennia in the making. Thank you so much for joining us on Soulful Paws today. If you loved learning about the amazing bond we share with our dogs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of our furry friends. We'd love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. How does your dog make your day better? Until next time, give your best friend an extra scratch behind the ears from us.